Tell me why we're rushing out the door and our Jamaican snack box shows up at the exact same time. Hey fantastic family, welcome back guys to another video. Of course the box decided to arrive right when we are about to leave, and instead of grabbing us kitchen scissors, my husband went for the biggest knife in the kitchen. Guys, don't even pay him any attention because we are just opening a snack box. We're not fighting the box. All right guys, so inside our snack box, so I purchased this order from a company in Florida. If you guys are interested, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll definitely tell you where I got my order from. So first up we have the Tigaz, and guys, if you know, you know that Tigaz, it's an all-time favorite. We also got some rose and almond. I was kind of disappointed with the rose and almond because the box came in December and the rose and almond expires in January, and you and I know that the rose and almond is something like vanilla, so we're not going to use the whole bottle in one sitting, so kind of disappointed with that. And yes guys, here we have the Jamaican sausage, and if you have been watching my videos, you'd have seen that I love Jamaican sausage. However, when I go to like compare foods, we know they have been lying to us the whole time, so I got my Jamaican sausage. And here the kids are popping those what you call those, the bubble wrap. And as a child, I remember when my parents used to get like furniture, I used to wait to pop those. However, these are the larger ones. And guys, yes, if you look on the rose and almond, you'll see that it expires January 2026. Here we have the Bigfoot. Ryan likes the Bigfoot, really carrying back to memory lane of when he was in kindergarten in Jamaica. And don't judge me for my Jamaican rum. We're gonna do some baking. So as you know, we have to have our Jamaican Wray and Nephew Rum. So once we opened the bag, we realized that I guess it probably needed to be sealed because it was kind of actually what do you call it, like spilling during the process. You can see that the bag is wet. And guys, the kids love Tigaz. Look at Zaire. I'm on my way to Walmart with him because I'm gonna get him a toy, and everybody just needs to have some Tigaz. All right, so here we are at Walmart, and told the boy not to run in the parking lot, and he did the exact opposite. So we're on our way to get him something. He got a gift card for Christmas, and I wanted to give him something, like just give him the opportunity to spend his money. He said he wanted a toy, car, truck, anything on wheels he loves. So here we are in Walmart. You know, we have a lot of toys, so it probably going to take us a while for him to find something that he really likes, but we'll get it done today. So here we are in the aisle for our toys, and as you know, he sees a lot of things and he wants everything in the store. So first off is the Fast and Furious toy. He looked at those, but you know, they were so small, he wasn't really too interested in it. He looked at some other ones. So this is the Fast and Furious one. And I know Zaire, by the time we get home and he plays with this for 5 minutes, they're all gone. We're not going to be able to find them. So I prefer him to get something bigger, even though it's his choice. But he actually pushed it back when he saw that there are bigger cars. And if you look, you'll see him, you know, touching those other ones. And voila, guys, he found something that he likes. And look at that, Ford. That's his name. So yeah, so he found that one, and I think he really likes it. Blue is his favorite color. And here we are leaving Walmart. He decided that he wanted to go on the cart, so I'm pushing him. He's looking around, finding other things that he wants, and I'm glad that I have him up here because I would probably be leaving with a cart full of grocery. And here he is with his toy for his Christmas from a family friend. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.